Hey guys, and welcome to Leather Honey. My name is Evan, your leather care specialist, and I'm just so excited because Amazon Prime Day is today. It's June 23rd through the 26th, and Leather Honey is running some of the best deals of the year. But before I get into all of that, I want to talk to you guys just for a minute here because something may have happened to your leather. Maybe that was, let's say, a spill or a crack, fading that you've been ignoring on a bag or a pair of shoes that just doesn't look the way that it used to. Well, today we are so excited because I want to tell you, you are in the right place. And that anxiety that you may be feeling, you look at something that you invested in, you spent a lot of money for it and it's slowly falling apart. That's exactly why Leather Honey exists, okay? And honestly, for most people, they're online, they start looking for answers if something goes wrong with their leather. Maybe they're up late at night searching on Reddit, trying to figure out if it's too late or if they've ruined it. If there's anything left that they can do, they just need a solution, right? Trust me, I am online frequently trying to help people know what to do, how to fix their leather, whether it's fixable or not. And the frustrating part about all of this is that most of the damage was completely preventable. They just didn't know how to prevent it. Just with the right products and a simple routine, you guys can transform your leather and prevent all of that damage from happening to begin with. And that's exactly what Leather Honey has been building since 1968. It's a family-owned American brand that's been trusted by professionals and collectors, as well as everyday people who just refuse to let their leather die early. And we want to invite you into that movement. So over 50 years of doing this right, no animal products, no PFOAs, no forever chemicals. You're never going to see a Prop 65 cancer and reproductive harm label on our products. Just clean, safe, and effective formulas made right here in the USA. That actually solves problems, right? So I just wanted to share a system with you on how to use our products. It's 3 steps, that's it. So let's get straight into it. Step 1 is clean it. And you've got to start here every time because if you allow dust to get into your conditioner, it's just going to cake on your leather. So you just want to clean it off. The Leather Honey Cleaner is EPA Safer Choice certified, which means the Environmental Protection Agency has actually reviewed and approved it as safe for you, your family, and your pets. And of course the environment, but it's pH balanced, so it lifts out all the dirt, oils, and buildup without stripping or damaging your leather underneath. And the 8 ounce is perfect for everyday maintenance, whether that's on shoes, bags, jackets, accessories, car interiors, furniture. But if you've got bigger jobs like a full-on couch, or you have a serious restoration you're trying to do, we definitely suggest going up in size, maybe the 16 or the 32 ounce. And if you've got a really large surface to cover, the Leather Honey Leather Cleaner Concentrate, this guy right here, you're really not going to run through all of that in a job unless you're doing a lot. So it definitely gives you everything that you need. But if you have, let's say, in your car interior or a couch that's next to a window, definitely consider the UV protectant. That's going to prevent fading from happening. It's going to prevent the sun from zapping out the dyes of your leather and discoloring it. But step 2 is conditioning. And this is where Leather Honey has made its name. The Leather Honey Leather Conditioner in 8 ounce, this one right here, is one of the most reviewed leather conditioners on all of Amazon. And it has earned that for a reason. Thousands of boot collectors, jacket owners, car interior enthusiasts, and furniture restorers have used this to bring leather back from the dead. So why? It penetrates deeply, whereas others just sit on the surface. It restores the flexibility and it brings back that look and feel that made you love that leather piece in the first place. And you can bring that back. There are no animal products, like I said, no harsh chemicals. It's safe for your entire household. But if you've got a larger surface like a full-on sofa or car interior, again, moving to that 16 ounce or the 32 conditioner, it gives you more to work with, so you don't have to stop between finishing that entire job. You can just do it all in one sweep. Now, step 3, this one's important, is protecting your leather. And this is honestly where most people drop the ball. But I will say that cleaning and protecting gets you most of the way there, because this is the way that I try to tell people. When you fill your leather's pores with something like Leather Honey Leather Conditioner, it prevents other things like spills, drinks, food from absorbing into the pores, so you can just wipe it off after. Because if there's something good in there, the bad stuff doesn't get in, and it can help prevent and create a barrier against that future damage. So it's pretty neat. But now if you own suede or nubuck, the rules completely change, and these are totally different textures, and the wrong products will genuinely make things worse, not better. So you want to be careful. You want to buy the suede and nubuck cleaner specifically, because it's formulated to clean those delicate surfaces without damaging them. The suede and nubuck protector helps prevent stains and water damage before they even happen. And I'm telling you guys, if you pour water on it, that is just going to beat off completely. So that's great when you apply it properly. So if you just want everything in one place, make it easy on yourself, guys, consider getting the Suede and Nubuck Care Kit. It bundles everything together so you are covered from start to finish, and it includes a brush and suede eraser. Now, if you want the simplest possible starting point for smooth leather, the Leather Honey Care Kit right here, it has the cleaner and conditioner and 2 cloths. That is going to be perfect, and it's a great gift as well. It looks nice, it's put together. Now, if you know somebody who just got a new car or a new pair of boots or something, this is great. Now, one thing I'm super excited about for Leather Honey is that we launched something brand new, our Recoloring Balms, now available in black and brown. So these are for people who thought it was too late. The black recliner that's in your living room, it's faded and worn. This guy right here. The brown boots, maybe it has uneven color from years of hard use. This guy right here. The bag handles showing every bit of life you've lived in them. Choose. This isn't dye, guys. This is not paint. It's not going to peel off. It's balm that actually goes into the leather's pores and restores the color from the inside out while conditioning at the same time. So it does 2 jobs, which is awesome. Of course, non-toxic, made in the USA, same Leather Honey quality and standard as everything else in the lineup, but this product fills the gap that nothing else in this lineup does. So very, very excited about that. Here's the truth. Leather is not fragile. It's actually incredibly resilient when you treat it right. And the people whose leather lasts decades, maybe your generations, your grandfather's jacket or something like that, they don't do anything complicated. They just have a routine. They clean it, they condition it, and they protect it. And when the color starts to go, if you don't want patina or things like that, you can recolor it, bring back that from fading. So that's the whole system, and Leather Honey gives you every single piece that you need. Now, you can find every product in the Amazon carousel, so put it in your cart right now and get yourself an amazing deal. If it's not for you guys, it's Amazon. Just return it. We offer our money back guarantee, but we are so confident that you guys are gonna love it and it's gonna do exactly what you need so that you can join the thousands of leather owners who take pride in treating their leather right. So consider this, guys. Look at that carousel, select which one is for your job, because if you've been putting this off and if you've been stressed about something sitting in your closet and if you've been up late trying to figure out what to do, this is your answer and this is your moment. So I would encourage you guys, take action, get it done. Maybe your grandparents or your parents told you when you do something, do it right the first time. This is doing it right the first time. So I just wanted to share that with you. My name is Evan with Leather Honey, and remember that leather is forever with Leather Honey. Thank you so much for joining me.